Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to enable vibration in Telegram channels notifications on your Android device. If you want to stay updated with all the latest posts and updates from your favorite Telegram channels, enabling vibration notifications can be a helpful feature. To get started, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three lines located at the top left corner of the screen to access the menu. From there, tap on Settings, and then select Notification and Sounds. Under the Notification for Chat section, tap on Channels. Then tap on More Options and select Vibrate. You will have the option to choose between a short or long vibration pattern. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that you never miss an important notification from your favorite Telegram channels. Stay connected and informed with the latest updates by enabling vibration notifications in Telegram channels. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials like this one.